Types of maps. There are several types of maps showing different aspects of a place. Some important types of maps are described below. First is physical map. The natural features of an area like mountains, plains, rivers, and valleys are shown on a physical map. Second, political maps. A political map shows the boundaries between countries, states, cities, towns, etc. Third is thematic maps. Details of different themes are shown through these maps, such as the distribution of soil, crops, forests, etc. Fourth is climate map. These maps provide information about the climate of a particular area. Fifth is economic or resource map. The economic activity of an area is shown by these maps. Sixth is topographic maps. The contour lines that show the elevation of an area are shown through these maps. And last is road, rail, and airways maps. These types of maps mainly display the roads and transports link like highways, railway tracks, air routes, and airports. So in these two given maps, we can see the physical map of India and other is thematic map of crop patterns in India. Next is elements of a map. All maps consist of some basic elements that give us information about the map and the area it shows, direction, scale, color, symbols are some such elements. Once we understand the meaning of these elements on a map, we will be able to read it in a useful way. Next, the element is direction. There are four main directions: north, east, south, and west. These directions are shown by capital letters N, E, S, and W. The farthest side of a map on a top is north. South is at the bottom as it is always opposite to the north. On the right, we have east and opposite to east is west. There are also some sub directions in between the main direction. Between the north and the east lies the northeast, that is NE. Between the north and the west lies the northwest, that is NW. Between the south and the east lies the southeast, that is SE. And between the south and west is the southwest, that is SW. The second element is scale. Maps do not show actual distances between places. Distances are deliberately decreases proportionally to ensure that the map of a large area fits on a small paper. In order to do this accurately, geographers draw maps to scale. A scale is defined as the ratio between the distance on the map and the actual distance on the ground. If the actual ground distance between two cities is 500 km, then it can be represented on a map by a smaller unit like 5 cm. It would be written as 1 cm is equal to 100 km. The next element of the map is colors. In a map, different colors are used to show different geographical features of a landscape. Some standard colors and what they are generally used for is given below. Blue color. It is used to show the water bodies on a map. Light blue is used to show shallow waters and dark blue is used to show deep waters. Brown color. It is generally used to show mountains and hills. Dark brown is used for high mountains and light brown for lower mountains and hills. Forest and vegetation are shown in green color. Lack of vegetation is shown in white. Highlands like plateaus are often shown in the yellow color. Deserts are often shown in brown or yellow color. Next element and the last element is symbols. A symbol is a sign or a shape that is used to represent something on a map. The use of symbols make it easier to read and understand maps. Using symbols, we can also show features like mountains, rivers, etc. Conveniently, on a map, there are a number of standard symbols that are used on maps. For example, a dot with a circle is used to mark a capital city. Every map has an index key or a legend key, and that tells us the meaning of all the symbols and colors used in map. So here are in the given pictures there are various symbols which represent different things which are used in maps like national highway, post office, police station, etc. And on the other hand, the natural vegetation is used shown with other different colors like green color, light green color, etc.